Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a one of these boarded up windows. Normally, when you drag in a window, as you can see, there's no boards on them. So I know it took me a little bit to figure it out, but it's very easy to figure it out. So what you want to do is under here, if you don't have a window in your map already, you want to type in BP window and grab the window you want. So you're gonna be BP window 1, 3, 4, and 5. That's probably what you're going to be doing. I don't know why there's no 2. Hey, tiny build. Why is there no 2? But the reason why I'm saying not to use these other ones is because they're not actually windows. So, that's fine though. So you can just go ahead and you can drag in your window. We're just going to use this normal one. And you want to go down here. Under this little thing down here, you want to scroll down until you see boarded. Click on that, and there you go. It's pretty simple. And you got some boards on your window. Very epic, very simple, and yes. And yeah, no, you can't jump through it. You want to make sure though that the window is at least the boarded part is on the outside, not the inside. Because if you have it on the inside, you can see. I can still jump through. Oh. Apparently I can't. I thought you could still jump through it. But yeah, you just want to make sure that you have the boards on the outside because there is a glitch where you can like walk through it if you have the boards like that. I forget how you do it, but there is a glitch that lets you do it. It's not a very happy glitch for modding. So just to prevent that glitch from happening when people are playing your mod, just make sure that the boards are on the outside. I've learned that the hard way. But yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. See you guys next time. Goodbye.